Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S8 9 Plus and I'll show you how to switch off this device. Just to turn off the device, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. And if you get the same option like in my case, if you just by pressing hold the power key button, you just launch the Bixby option, you could use just volume down and power button. Oh, that's volume up and power button together. You should just press and hold it, and you'll see here the power off menu. But also you could turn off the quick launch to the Bixby option. Just to do that, open the settings, scroll to advanced features, tap to side buttons and switch Wake Bixby to power off menu. And now just by pressing hold to the power key button, you'll see here power off menu, so just click twice to power off icon, and after that just wait a couple of seconds. You will see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.